a DIY 10,000-year-old candy will give me cavities, and then use a Jurassic World dinosaur kit to clean my stained teeth. Let's get it. Jurassic pop-up lollipop. It's a little Velociraptor lollipop holder. This thing is roaring. Watermelon. It's too big to fit.
Eat it up, Velociraptor.
It's not doing any work, so I gotta do it myself. Pretty good. Cherry. Better. And strawberry. Pretty good. I think I'll save this one for later. Next, we got Jurassic Egg Surprise Candy. Let's see what's inside. This little guy's starting to peek through. Ow. Oh. What do we got? It comes with gummy dinosaurs. We got a T-Rex, a Stegosaurus, a Brachiosaurus, and a Tyrannosaurus. It also comes with an Indominus Rex coin. It's built pretty strong. Pop Gummy Surprise. Pop. Ooh. What do we got here? It comes with 2 toys. Way cooler than the token. Look at it, comes with 2 little dudes that are super cute. Comment what we should name them. Now let's check out the candy. 3 pieces of mystery candy. We got a slice of watermelon. Yum. Ooh, nice and squishy. Ugh, nasty. And some star fruit gummies. Whoa, that's good. Trolley sour crawlers. Mmm. That's pretty good. The blue and red are definitely the best flavor. Followed by the yellow and red. Orange and green is just nasty. Dinosaur Kinder Eggs. Comes with a toy, but I gotta build it. It's a Spikiosaurus. Let's see if I get any other cooler ones. It's a Brachiosaurus. Let's go, this one came with a T-Rex. All right, let's see what the candy looks like. What the heck? It looks like dinosaur doo-doo. Ooh, smells like Cocoa Puffs though. Cocoa Puffs, Cocoa Puffs. Do I give it a try? All right, I'm gonna scoop it up. Oh, it's a dinosaur turd and it's going in my mouth. Yeah, pretty good. Let's eat the other one. Ooh, Treasure Hunt dinosaur egg. We got the dinosaur hunt and we got the multifunction digging tool. And we got a block that looks like a sandcastle. Sounds like something's in there, so let's get digging. Poof, getting everywhere. Maybe I should run it underwater. All right, I'm starting to see something. Let's keep on digging. I think I got it in my eyeball. How cool do I look? See, I got my safety glasses and we're chipping away. I'm starting to see something. It looks like a little dude. He's coming alive. Let's keep excavating. Oh, I just broke it in half. That's way faster. It comes with this epic alligator who's guarding the amber egg treasure. Let's break it apart and see what's inside. Ooh, look how pretty this amber egg is. Let's see what's inside. Oh, it's a baby little ancient centipede. Let's put him back where he belongs, back inside the amber egg. Amber eggs are an ancient fossil that could be over 320 million years old. And they're a fossil made from tree sap like maple syrup. Which means these fossils are the most ancient candy out there. Except this one's not edible. So let's make some that are. First, you're gonna need to grab a pan, pour 2 parts sugar to 1 part corn syrup. Add your color of choice, and then give it some flavor. I'm going with cherry. Bring it to a boil and give it a stir. Once the sugar is boiling and it's to a liquid, grab your mold and pour the liquid sugar in. Grab the top and press down. I'm gonna add some mystery items to petrify in the amber eggs. I'm sure you can guess what I'm gonna put in. And last but not least, you can't forget the toothpick. Beep, bop, boop, beep. Now all you gotta do is throw them in the freezer and let them harden. And here it is, the final product. I got a couple different versions of amber eggs, so let's check them out. Up first, we have this toothbrush petrified in blue amber syrup. So let's see if we can bite into it. Look at that string pull. Look how cute it is. It's pretty good. This has to be some of the stretchiest candy I've ever tried. Look at this pull. Wow, this stuff is crazy. As beautiful as it looks, this stuff tastes nasty. So let's move on to the next flavor. Toothbrush flavored candy is not it. Next up, we have an actual caterpillar amber egg. Can you see the caterpillar in there? Ugh, I'm scared to bite it. Nasty, definitely don't eat it. Next up, a 10,000-year-old disclosing tablet amber egg. This stuff is so tough. It tastes like cherries. Let's check the pH. A value under 5 will cause cavities. Yikes, it's a 2. It's time to get brushing. If you struggle to brush your teeth, I made Fat Cloud disclosing tablets to turn brushing into a fun game. Brush all the color off your teeth to protect your smile from cavities. Make sure to check out my shop in the description below. It's disclosing time. Let's check the before results. Colgate Dinosaur Brush Tastic Kit. It comes with cavity protecting toothpaste, a manual, and electric toothbrush. These are some surprisingly soft bristles. It also comes with its epic toothbrush cap to protect the bristles from doo-doo particles. Since we just ate all that Jurassic World candy, we should definitely be using a Jurassic World toothbrush. It's kind of weak. Fat Glob. This is Dental Digest. Let's get brushing with Jurassic World. This toothbrush is stampeding the plaque away. And this toothpaste is dynamite. Let's check the after results. Nice and clean. And now let's check the pH. A value above 5 means my teeth are protected from cavities. Nice, it's an 8. Head over to my community tab and vote which dinosaur is your favorite. We'll see you fat globbers in the next one. And as always, smile on. Ciao.